Okay, good. Tamarind for the tom yum. Okay. Okay, let it boil. Attention, please. Attention, please. Now this step for tom yum very important. Make a nice serving. Make a nice serving. Green leaf, squeeze the lime. Always taste your soup before serving. Always taste your food. Then you know what you bring to the table, right?
9 and that's all.
Oh, good. You guys good cook. Garlic? Not? Oh, good too. One more thing?
Ginger?
For fun. I just trying for fun. But do you like smell? I have a question. Do you like smell? Coriander root. This is change your whole world. You see, I want to open your world because a lot of people think the coriander like a soap, but when you fry them, it's totally different smell, different flavor. This is very ancient style of cooking, a Thai style. This is like own recipe, like from King number 4, you know, more than a year. Put in here one more time. Sometimes you see online some chef or some people online they will do like that, right? And some they do like that. Have you seen it? But then you do like that, if you don't manage them well, it kind of loose, you see? So the trick, if you're a beginner, you're not pro yet, I highly recommend. Back, make it tight. Yeah. If anyone do tobacco, I think you can do them well. Make it tight and firm. Special role.